your singer, and welcome to our JM computer room, international computer room. And today we're talking about the Dyson DC-24-volt upright vacuum. I tell you what, if you're forgetting about to get this Dyson, but you store it completely in the decent clog and stays in. So, what do you want to be when you grow up to get this Dyson? So, nothing's not worried about. It's a clamp. So it's up and crackers. So nice up and crackers. So welcome to our JM computer room. And today we're at Dyson computer room. And today we're talking about the Dyson DC-24-volt upright vacuum. I'll tell you what, if you're about to get this Dyson, but I'm going to show you how the easiest to turn it on. What you have with the Dyson are 5 fantastic features. I don't think I'm not ready to vacuum. Sorry, designed to float on air, or nothing like the Dyson DC-24-volt upright vacuum. So nothing's not worried about the DC-24-volt upright vacuum. The DC-24-volt. The DC-24-volt upright vacuum. The Dyson DC-24-volt upright vacuum. And new Dyson. And new good vacuum works. So Dyson works properly. So now, let's turn it on. I don't think other vacuum cleaners are designed to float on air. So well as you clean. It's designed like nothing, not like a new fantastic vacuum. It has, I'm going to use a handle now.
What else can you tell us about the Dyson?
I'm going to tell you about the lifetime HEPA filter, and the filter is going to be inside that microwave. Lifetime HEPA filter, and the filter is inside a microwave stick. And if you're done, just push this out. And then if you're done, close it back in. So we're done. If you want to empty it, just click on the button on the top. When it opens. If you're done, close it up. If you want to take the bin off, just press on this button. And then, lifetime HEPA filters. I'm going to show you the lifetime HEPA filter. Filter was inside our bagless technology. So you're never like a screen. A wartime new vacuum cleaner. Simple shipping, so bins are not easy to clean. So bins are easy to clean on your sink. But don't wash it, because don't wash the canister or the tools or the bowl. Don't wash the bin. Don't wash the handle or the hose. They'll wash to the ends and then you'll operate a new vacuum cleaners. Like new hypothetical successive crackers. Successive crackers.
So is that it?
No.
Okay. Sorry.
Say down.
Put that down, please. Okay, so are we done recording and you want to watch what you recorded?